Hello, welcome to Science with Mitul. In this session, we are going to discuss about chemical reactions. There are two types of changes. The one is physical changes and the other one is chemical changes. Physical changes are changes in the physical properties of matter, while the chemical changes are changes in the chemical properties of matter. Now, chemical changes are also called chemical reactions. Now, we can say that chemical reactions are chemical changes. Some of very common examples of chemical changes are, or chemical reactions are, burning of fire, making of curd, ripening of fruits. All these are the very much common examples of chemical reactions. A chemical reaction may be defined as a change of substance called reactant into a completely different substance called product. In simple words, reactants change into products and that is called a chemical reaction. Here is the example of making of curd. Curd is made from milk. Milk is reactant and the curd is product. Both the substances are completely different from each other. Chemical reactions are of four types: addition reactions, dissociation or decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, double displacement reactions, and redox reactions. Addition reactions. These are the reactions in which two reactants join to form a single product. In the given picture, you can see burning of carbon is the example of addition reaction. Carbon and oxygen joins to form carbon dioxide. Second type of reactions are decomposition reactions or dissociation reactions. These are the reactions in which a single reactant dissociates into two or more products. For the example, carbonic acid dissociates into water and carbon dioxide. Here we can see the reactant is only one and products are two. Displacement reactions. These are the reactions in which an element replaces the other element in a compound. For example, you can see in the picture, zinc replaces copper in copper sulfate solution, and which is converted into zinc sulfate and copper is released. In the same way, ferrous also replaces copper in the solution of copper sulfate. Double displacement reactions. These are the reactions in which two compounds exchange atoms with each other. In the given example, you can see it is called neutralization reaction. In hydrochloric acid, when reacts with sodium hydroxide, which gives rise to sodium chloride and water. So both the reactants have exchanged their atoms. So these are called double displacement reactions. Redox reactions. These are also called as oxidation reduction reactions. Oxidation reduction reaction is a type of chemical reaction that involves a transfer of electrons between two species. Redox reaction has two phases. The first one is oxidation phase, which involves the loss of electrons, while the other one is reduction phase, that is the gaining of electrons. In oxidation phase, sodium loses an electron, while in reduction phase, chlorine gains that electron and making a molecule of sodium chloride. And these kind of reactions are called redox reactions. For more updates, video lessons, PowerPoint slides, and live online tutoring, you can contact us or subscribe our channel. Thank you.